Want to use Facebook in your preferred language? In this quick guide, I'll show you the simple steps to change the language settings in the Facebook app. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, the process is fast, easy, and only takes a minute. Open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap the menu icon. On most Android devices, it's located in the top right corner of the screen and looks like your profile picture with 3 horizontal lines. On iPhone, you'll usually find it in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy to expand the menu. Then tap Settings to open your account settings. Inside the settings page, scroll down until you reach the Preferences section. Here, tap Language and Region. This menu controls the language used for buttons, menus, notifications, and other text throughout the Facebook app. Now tap Language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. A list of available languages will appear. Browse through the list or use the search option if available to quickly find your preferred language. Select the language you want to use. In many cases, Facebook will apply the new language immediately. On some devices, you may need to tap Save or confirm your selection before the change takes effect. If you don't see the language option, make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app from your device's App Store. Updating the app can restore missing settings and improve compatibility with the latest features. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this guide helped you change your Facebook app language. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.